Hello and welcome. This is Accounting on Excel with Amaka Ifeanando, the Excel coach. And in today's training, I'll be showing you a shortcut code that you can use to activate the filter option and deactivate it. Now, the filter option helps you to filter a set of data, and it's when a filter option is active, you see that on the column heading there is an icon that looks like a funnel. You can have that feature on your home tab. When you are on your home tab, you go to your editing section, click on this sort and filter, and there you have it. You click on it and the filter option pops up. Or you go to your data tab and you have it here. And the filter, when you click on this, it pops up. You can see the icon. When you click on it again, it goes off, is deactivated. So we'll be using the shortcut code to apply this filter feature. So first is to select any cell within the data range. Right. You can try the Control Shift L. For me, this code is not working on my system. I don't know why. So I press Control Shift then L. It's not working. Control Shift L. It's not working, but you can try it on your system. I bet it's going to work. I still had to figure out how do I apply this on my system because I tried it on another system. It was working. Control Shift L. You activate it, and if you want to deactivate it, you still press the Control Shift L. So I had to look around. I had to like, oh, how do I go about this? Why is it not working on my system? I asked question, and I was able to find out this answer, which is Alt H S F. So I'll press the Alt key down, H S F. Wow, I now have it. You can see the filter buttons are active. So to deactivate it, press your Alt key down, H S F. So that's how I arrive at this shortcut key, Alt HSL. For some of us, the two shortcut key should be working perfectly, right? But if it's not working, if the Control Shift L is not working, then try the Alt HSF. Alt HSF. I believe you've gotten value from this. If you have, please like this video, share with as many that you know that will benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to get notification whenever I upload new value tips. I'll see you in the next training. Bye for now.